Inspection of the day, Ford Escape. Customer complains, I had my cradle replaced downriver and my brakes don't feel right. So let's go over everything. It looks like they replaced the control arms with the cradle and new brakes and rotors. No caliper change. So we got to figure out why she thinks her car is feeling so funny. I assume they gave an alignment, but looks like they did a really good job. Only thing I notice is, looks like we got some high heat JB weld on the exhaust there. Checked all tie rods, ball joints, everything like that. Outer tie rods look new as well. It's time to take it for a test drive and see how I think it feels and inspect the rear drums. Well-known problem on these Escapes. Ford used way cheap metal or something. They just don't hold up in the rust belt. I've done more engine cradles on them than any other vehicle. Even though the brakes looked incredibly clean for Michigan, the start wheels were backed in quite a bit. So I adjusted them, cleaned stuff up, take it out for a test drive. I should have did that before I pulled it in, but I just figured I'd find something right away, and that wasn't the case. Back at the shop, brakes feel perfect now. A little bit of hum, which sounds like it's coming from the front left. The tires are a little warped, I assume, from the bad cradle or component parts. Definitely got aligned after that cradle. So go check out that front left hum. Maybe rotate a tire, see if it moves the noise, and listen to the wheel bearing and look at the CV axle. That's an inspection.